Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Hotjar in 2026. Want to see how visitors really use your Wix site? Hotjar shows you everything, and you can see that by following these few simple steps. The first thing to do is to create a Hotjar account. And to do that, you're going to go to hotjar.com's website, and there you're going to sign in or you're gonna get started if you don't have an account already. So I'm just gonna click on get started and make sure to sign in with your email account or your Google account. Once you sign in, you're gonna copy the Hotjar tracking code and open the Hotjar dashboard. And after that, you're gonna add your website and also copy the tracking script. Once you finish doing this, we're gonna go to the Wix website and make sure to log in with your account. Once you do that, you're gonna go to the Wix dashboard and you're gonna scroll all the way down in the left side section to settings. And there you're gonna click and search for custom code, just like this, type in custom code. Click on custom code. And here you're gonna pass the Hotjar code, pass the code here and choose all pages, then place it in the head and then save. And finally, you can publish and test. You can publish your site, visit your site, and check the Hotjar dashboard. Make sure to publish after adding the code, and also the data takes time to appear. Also, respect privacy and consent rules. That's it. That's how you connect Hotjar to Wix in 2026. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.